fabric. Interested to learn how fabric is made? Fibre. Have you noticed that when you tear the leaf into two parts with your hands, you will not get a clean cut, isn't it? You can also see thread-like structures running across its length. These are known as fibers. There are three types of fibers. They are as follows: dietary fiber, natural fiber, and synthetic fiber. Types of fibers. Dietary fibers. The fibers which are present in our food which we eat is known as dietary fibers. Examples: spinach, sugarcane, etc. There is no use of formation of fabric. Natural fibers. The fibers obtained from plant or animals is known as natural fibers. From plants we get cotton, jute, etc. From animals we get wool, etc. Synthetic fiber. The fibers which are made from chemicals is known as synthetic fibers. They are also called as man-made fibers. Example: nylon, rayon, terylene, etc. Yarn. When a bunch of fibers are twisted together, they get converted into strong long threads called yarn. The process of making yarn is called as spinning. It can be done by using hand spindle or a spindle charka. Yarn can be done in looms or in hand looms. Hand looms are operated manually. On a larger scale, spinning is done by modern spinning machines which produce stronger yarn of uniform thickness. Fabric. The yarn can be converted from a thread into a fabric. There are two methods to convert a fiber, a yarn, to a fabric: weaving and knitting. Weaving. Take a piece of cloth and observe it with a magnifying glass. You will see arrangement of two threads running across one another. In that, the threads which are longitudinal is called as warp and the filling threads of warp is called as weft. This is called weaving. Weaving is done on devices called looms. Small looms which can be operated manually are called hand looms. The fabric made on these is coarse and not very long. On a large scale, fabric is made on power looms in mills. The fabric produced can be several meters long. Knitting. Knitting can be done using a single long yarn. Example: mufflers, vests, t-shirts, etc. It can be done using long needles or in machines. Knitting can be knitted from just one long yarn. You may have also noted that if the yarn from a torn sock is pulled, the entire socks can be unraveled. There are three types of fabric: natural fabric, synthetic fabric, and blended fabric. Fabric. Natural fabric. The fabric which are made from natural fibers are called as natural fabric. Example: cotton, jute, linen, coir, sisal, etc. Synthetic fabric. The fabric which are made from synthetic fiber is called as synthetic fabric. They are cheaper than natural fibers. Example: silk cocoon and silk cloth. This is a process how the silk cloth is made. Silk was first made in China in 3000 BC. Blended fabric. The fabrics which are made from both natural and synthetic fiber is called as blended fabric. Example: terylene, which is made. Example: terracotta, which is made from terylene and cotton. Thank you.